Hi, everyone. Today's upgrade is a Ford F150. This is the disassembly tool. Everyone according to the need to prepare. First, we remove the passenger compartment. Then remove the 3 screws inside that hold the airbag in place. Then we remove the airbag and unplug the left and right. Now let's unscrew the right air outlet. Now let's loosen the screws holding the key panel in place. Remove the original car key panel and unplug all of the top and back of it. Loosen the screws holding the original engine and remove the original engine. Then go ahead and unplug all the back of it. Now we connect the power cord of the new product to the original car. Connect to the canbus box. Connect the converter cable to the air conditioner board. Then connect the air conditioner board to the converter cable. OK, now connect the USB to the car radio. Connect the RCA antenna. Connect another USB cable. Connect GPS antenna. Connect the quad G antenna. Now connect CAN cable. Then connect the CAN cable to the original car video cable. Then connect the power amplifier control line. Plug the black electric source into the new car radio. Remove the keys from the original car and insert them into the new car radio and plug them in. Now we'll put the new car radio on. Fix the car radio. Plug the airbag back in and attach it to secure it. Install the appearance. Now the air conditioner is not working. We need to debug the canbus. We go to the factory settings, canbus settings, select the canbus name, select the corresponding model year. Note, the first selection requires a network connection. Now let's test the air conditioner. It works. Support steering wheel control. You can adjust the timbre of your voice according to your preferences. Support video playback. Support radio. Support map navigation. Support Bluetooth phone. Support Carplay, where you can use the voice assistant operation, can make calls, listen to music, map navigation, can also use other mobile apps. End of video. Thanks for watching.